I just wanted to do an unboxing video of the brand new Fisher-Price Nabi tablet. Only thing I've done so far is I cut the plastic off right here, the little tape. So still really nice boxes. They were kind of, Nabi's known for their really nice packaging. So flip it open here. Nice foam pad. This box actually looks pretty cool. You can see in the light. And this is the Fisher-Price tablet. Looks like there's a case in the back or a hard cover of some sort. And then this sticker goes on the back, and as you can see, you got a shiny inside piece, and I'm guessing the sticker goes on that. So I'll do that in a different video, but I just wanted to kind of do the unboxing. And then, so there's the sticker. And this looks to be like some cables. Yeah, there's the charger cable and stuff in there. Let's see, what kind of cable is this? Micro USB. Fantastic. And then looks like there's your standard charging block. Let's see. It's I'm reading off camera here. Looks like it's a 5 volt 0.4 it's 5 volt charger. I don't really see an amperage rating on it. You guys can see it there a little bit. And then here's the standard, if my camera would focus here. This is the important product information guide. There we go. Let's get all your legal warnings and stuff like that in there. Let's look more at this tablet. Oh, I'll show you the back of the box here real quick. So this is the back of the box. So let's look at this tablet and give it a once around here. You can see, so we got a headphone jack and our USB charger port right there. Micro USB. I mean, not a micro USB, a micro SD card slot right there. Looks like the speakers on the back. It does have a really nice looking rear facing camera, and it still has the front facing camera, as you can see with the reflection. So let's compare it to a few older ones. This is a first generation Nabi. And as you can see, it's quite thinner. Overall size wise, I think this one's got the bigger screen in it as well. And overall size wise, it's one thing that looks like that they've redesigned is that you've lost the bumpers, so you lost the corners that the old one had. Okay, so let's how about my charger cord, or my charger block. So here is the Nabi 2. Quite a bit smaller. Small hands will really, I think that kids with smaller hands will be able to hold this Fisher-Price Nabi a lot better than even the Nabi 2. This is the Elevate. Obviously the screen size in the Elevate's bigger. I'm just showing for a comparison. And then just about as thin as the Elevate. And then the Dream tab. There's the Dream tab. And then last but not least, I mean, the XD, it's really no comparison. So you can see the height difference. between the two different tablets. So one thing it doesn't have, and I actually one thing that the new tablet doesn't have is the grid on the back, like the rest of these do. So I'm going to turn it on for the first time. And oh, there we go. Thinking maybe I had to charge it. I haven't even took this out of the box to charge it yet, so I'll charge it overnight tonight. While that's going, I think I saw something about this. I read something somewhere. This is a cover as well. Let's see how easy it is to take this off with one hand. Because if I can do it with one hand, a child should be able to do it. And you can see it pulled the case off. It's definitely a snug fit. I mean, it pulls the case right off with it. Here's the tablet with nothing. You have to excuse my sniffles, I got a little cold. So, there's that. So the case comes off with it, which is what it is, I guess. If you're just trying to do it with one hand, I mean, if a child is done with the tablet and they give it to the parent to put away, I mean, it shouldn't be a big issue. But and then this goes over the screen, so when you're traveling, you can easily you don't have to worry about anything bumping the screen with major impact. So, but that's the tablet. I'm gonna go through, get everything set up, and I'll do some other videos later about the tablet itself and what kind of apps and stuff it has on it.